আসসালামু আলাইকুম। বৈশ্বিক করোনা পরিস্থিতিতে সবাই সচেতন হই, সুস্থ থাকি। একান্ত প্রয়োজন না হলে আমরা কেউ বাইরে যাব না। ঢাকা জেলার নবাবগঞ্জ উপজেলাধীন খানিপুর উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের সকল শিক্ষার্থী, সম্মানিত অভিভাবক ও সংশ্লিষ্ট সকলকে শ্রেণী পাঠদানের বিকল্প অনলাইন ক্লাসে স্বাগতম জানাচ্ছি। আমাদের সকলের সম্মিলিত প্রচেষ্টায় আমরা এগিয়ে যাব এবং নির্ধারিত লক্ষ্যে পৌঁছে যাব ইনশা আল্লাহ। আসুন সবাই অংশ নেই খানিপুর উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের অনলাইন ক্লাসে। ধন্যবাদ।
Dear students of Khanepur High School, we are going to taking our online class arranged by our authority. You all know about our running attempts about online class. Last class I attended with you a new matter about paragraph writing for class 8, 6, 7 and 8. Now today I am going to taking a online class about transformation of sentence for class 9 and 10. Especially this subject, this matter is for class 6 to 10. All students can attend with this subject, with these grammatical rules. Now, dear students, welcome to our classes this day, 23rd June. Here, I am your English teacher, Muzaffar Ahmed. You know, I am serving this school as an English teacher for a long time, and this COVID-19 period we are separated from you for our social distance and maintaining good health. Now, I think you all are doing better with your online class about different subjects. Already I have known, and you also attended our math teacher and assistant headmaster Badal Chandra Vishwas, accounting teacher Siddiqur Rahman, another English teacher Zafar Ahmed, and our headmaster also speeches with you different matters. Dear students, follow. This is a picture, nice picture. She is a good student, a good teacher. She is not a bad teacher. That means it's transferred from one mode to another mode. In Bangla, she is a good teacher. তিনি একজন ভালো শিক্ষিকা। She is not a bad teacher. It's also meaning same way, but structure is different. Differentiate structure. You follow another picture. You know, it's a tall tree. It's not a short tree, another structure, but the meaning carrying same. So, I think you can guess what is our today's topic. That means our topic today is transformation of sentence. So, as per this rule, I am going to discuss with you affirmative to negative. After discussing these topics, you can understand and will be able to differ conversion and transformation. Tell the definition of transformation. Transform sentences from affirmative to negative. Understand? I think you all are attentive about this matter. Please sit down with your pen and paper and you can note down about the topics that you can understand or not. I request you, if you can't understand any topics, note down it and you can phone me or our authority for your correction. Follow. He is a clever boy. You make it negative. Another side, he is a clever boy. It's also make negative. There, he is not a clever boy. He is a clever boy. He is not a clever boy. If I say Bangla, সে একজন চালাক বালক, সে চালাক বালক নয়. That means its meaning is sensed. But here follow, he is a clever boy. He is not a fool boy. Here you follow, clever boy, he is also clever boy. But he is not a clever boy. Not a clever boy. That means he is not clever. He is not a fool boy. But here, he is not a fool boy. In Bangla, সে আসলে বোকা নয়. That means he is a clever boy. He is not a fool boy, carrying the same meanings. But here, he is a clever boy. He is not a clever boy. It's carrying different meaning, negative meaning. So, both the meaning and formation is sensed here. So, it is conversion of sentence. That means the sentence sensed to different way and sense its meaning. It's conversion of sentence. But here, he is a clever boy. He is not a fool boy. Only formation is sensed. Here only formation. That means structure. Here only sense structure. Understand? I think you are thinking seriously. Meaning is not sense. Here, meaning is not sense. There only formation is sense. So it is transformation of sentence. Clear? Then I think you can understand what is formation, conversion of sentence, and what is transformation of sentence. Conversion is also sensed, transformation also sentence sensed, but not meaning. Understand? Okay, good. That's good. You are following it. Then here is clear what is the difference between conversion and transformation. Conversion and transformation meaning is different, and I think you understand it. Now, follow this kind of sentence. Only an industrious man can gain success in life. Transformation of sentence is focused here. None but an industrious man can gain success in life. That means only an industrious man can gain success. Only industrious man can success. But when we transform this sentence here, we intersense only for only set none but. We only set here none but, and other body of this sentence is not sensed. So, this is a transformation of sentence from affirmative to negative. Another, you must follow the way of truth. Negative. You cannot but follow the way of truth. Where we find must, but in negative sentence, exchange of must, in lieu of must, we said cannot but. That means it also changes the sentence but not meaning. Everyone respects a man of character. There is no one but respects a man of character. It's another structure. In exchange of everyone, here said there is no one, there is no, and after subject one, but is said. This way, transformation of sentence is changed with its structure, not meaning, but both the sentence are same meaning carrying. Now, some rules of changing from affirmative into negative. Here, from affirmative to negative, we can use some ground rules. When in affirmative format, you find only in time of making negative, you set none but in lieu of only. And when only understand with man or human or God, then you can set none but. But when another objects or thing only carrying nothing but, when it's understand thing or article, then it carry nothing but. Only also another stage carrying is. Then where only you can set not more or not less than. Where must, you will set cannot but. Both adjective and you will set here in lieu of both and, not only but also. Not only but also. And from previous sentence we also suggested here every, where every, you set every, there is no, and after one it's the subject, then you need set but. For human, if you find as soon as in your sentence, you will sense your negative format with no sooner had. And I think you also practiced no sooner had, and it holds past perfect tense. So no sooner had and then verb past participle form. For second sentence, you need then. If you find sometimes, then for negative, you will set not always. For always, never. Always is exchanged with never, and it is antonym of head word. To adjective to, if you find to adjective to, then so adjective that structure will set. So adjective that, and then second part subject and modal. If you first part will find past form, then you could not. If find present form, you will set cannot, and then verb. For many, you may set not a few. For a few, you will set not many. For a little, you will set not much. Much, not a little. I think you are writing about this transformative form. And this opposite word also very important for your previous picture. If you need, you will call me another time also, we will show it. Now we will practice about our structure. For only alone, we also saw previous slide. For only, we need none but for a person. Only he can play good cricket. Affirmative. It's a affirmative sentence. And now, we can make it negative. Where only we set none but. None but he can play good cricket. But another form, if only carrying any article or things, that means in Bangla bostu. For only you need set nothing but. Clear? Okay, that's good. He likes only sweet. Here, he likes nothing but sweet, because sweet is not any person, it's a thing. If you find axial sentence, then you will set not more than for only. They have only two cars. They have not more than two cars. Sorry, here not is but thing. If we also previous slide knew about must, if you find must, then you will set there cannot but or cannot help. But if you set cannot help, then you need add ing with verb present form. You must yield to your fate. Here, for must, you cannot but yield to your fate. Understand? I think you are writing down on your notebook. If you do not, please do it. And if you fail to understand any point, please inform me with phone or our authority. We must obey our parents. I think you can change it negative very easily, because you know for must we need set up cannot but. We cannot but obey our parents. Here rule 3. If we find every in a affirmative sentence, we set there is no for every, and after subject you need but. Follow it. Everyone hates a terrorist. Here for every, to make a negative sentence, you need there is no, and after subject 1 we said but. There is no one but hates a terrorist. Everybody fears a lion. There is nobody but fears a lion. Clear? And now, if anytime you find adjective in any affirmative sentence, that means after subject you will find am, is, are, was, were, etc., etc., and then an adjective. Then you will need negative form and opposite word. He is a good man. Here, good is an adjective. So, he is not a bad man. Rakib is an honest boy. Rakib is not a dishonest boy. Here, honest is an adjective. For this is a verb and not is for negative form. And dishonest is opposite word of honest. Yes, understand? I think you are looking good and writing down on your notepad and try to make your sentence from affirmative to negative. And now another rule. For always we need opposite word never. If you find any time in the sentence always, you will set never for always and then opposite word. For good, you will set bad, black for white for black, and short for long, and late for punctual, lie for truth. This way, you will change your affirmative sentence into negative. He was always punctual. He was always punctual. Then you can make it he was never late. He was never late. You can write down it. Very important point. This kind of sentence from 6 to 10 all times we practice in our class. And here also our class, but not with you, but from you. We are separated from you for a long time. This is why we are making online class. But it is very important for you. Try to give it for your importance. He was always punctual. He was never late. Then, I always speak the truth. I never exchange of always. And speak the truth, tell a lie. For speak the truth, tell a lie. You will note down it. Anytime in affirmative sentence, if you will find speak the truth, for negative, you will set tell a lie. Now, we will try to solve such kind of sentence that we enjoy it for different slide this time. Saw this picture, and here also sentence, man is mortal. Man is not immortal. Man is not immortal. The mortal is an adjective. Is an adjective, so is not immortal. There, four hands are giving and taking something. That means exchanging. He is a dishonest man. He is not an honest man. We must die. We cannot but die. She is an active woman. This very lady, she is an active woman. She is not an inactive woman. We also tried it from our previous slide, so I am showing you this sentence very quickly because we experienced with this type of sentence from our previous slide. She is my friend. She is not my foe. I like my mother very much. For like, here we need negative form. As there is no be verb, we said do. I do not hate my mother at all. For every at all. He is really a very poor man. This very poor man, we saw this picture and we can guess he is very poor man. He is not really a rich man at all. This picture is very familiar to us. He is Abraham Lincoln. And Abraham Lincoln was a wise man. Wise adjective. So, Abraham Lincoln was not a fool man. Yeah, I think this very sentence is practiced from our previous slide, previous time. Now, here are some antonyms, that means opposite word. You will find it in your textual book. You will follow it. For, good, bad, faint, foe, and etc. Various words here. You can follow it in your textbook. Everybody, you will find your book and know about this very word. Now, I will tell you another form, another species. The earth is round. That means earth is round, it is truth. Never we will say earth is long or another word. All times we say earth is round. So it is habitual truth or universal truth, universal fact. Health is wealth. It's a proverb and we know everybody. Health is wealth. Honesty is the best policy. Very good word. Very good value. Universal truth. These sentences are carrying universal truth. You may ask me why I show you this kind of sentence, then follow it. In case of universal truth, the sentence is changed into negative interrogative. Into negative interrogative. That means if you find do, you will make it interrogative, don't or doesn't, isn't, aren't, wasn't, this kind of sentence. You will make it interrogative. So it is very important to note down. If you find any time any universal truth, you will make it negative with negative interrogative sentence. So write down these very sentences and make it negative. Write down these very 10 sentences and this will your homework. You will get few time for writing this. Please write down. Write this very sentence and remember, during this period COVID-19, stay home and maintain your social distance. If you anytime go outside your home, use your mask, hand gloves, and sanitizer. Time to time, wash your hand and keep yourself from disease. Live a better life with your family and your environment, with your society. Dear students, this is your homework. I think if after a period we meet again in our school, I will show you or you will show your class English teacher this homework as your part education. Thank you, dear student. Thank you very much.